Ciao amici, welcome back to Italian for Travelers, week 4. This is our vocabulary video for Napoli. We'll start with espressioni, expressions. Andiamo, andiamo, let's go. And mangiamo, mangiamo, let's eat. Now, some vocabulary for al ristorante, at the restaurant. We have il cameriere, la cameriera, il cameriere, la cameriera, which is the waiter or waitress. La tavola, la tavola, alternately, il tavolo, il tavolo. Either of these are table. It's one of the few words that can be either masculine or feminine. I think tavola, feminine, is a little more common, but either are perfectly correct. Il tovagliolo. Il tovagliolo is a napkin. Il piatto. Il piatto is literally a plate or dish, like a ceramic dish. It can mean dish in the sense of this dish of tagliatelle is our specialty, but it's also a course. Whereas we say first course, second course, they would say first plate or first dish, second dish. Il piatto. Next, we have la tazza. La tazza. Notice that double Z, like pizza. Tazza is a cup or a mug, something that has a handle that you would drink hot beverages out of. Il cucchiaio. Il cucchiaio is a spoon. La colazione. La colazione, breakfast. Il formaggio. Il formaggio is cheese, and the reason it's here with all the rest is that that's actually not just a type of food, it's also a course. Il dolce. Il dolce is a sweet or a dessert, the way the Brits call something the sweet. La forchetta. La forchetta is fork. Il coltello. Il coltello is a knife. Notice that double L, you linger a little bit. Il coltello. Il bicchiere. Il bicchiere is a glass or goblet, so it can be like a wine glass, a champagne flute, a highball. Bicchiere, like beaker. La bevanda. La bevanda is a drink or beverage. Il pranzo. Il pranzo is lunch. La cena. La cena is dinner. L'aperitivo. L'aperitivo is aperitif. This can refer to the drink or the cocktail hour where you would have aperitivo. So it's like, oh, let's go to aperitivo. We'll have an aperitivo at aperitivo. L'antipasto. L'antipasto is appetizer, literally before the pasto, which is the main meal, like repast. L'antipasto. Il primo. Il primo is first course. It's short for primo piatto, the first plate, first course. And il secondo. Il secondo, second course. Il contorno. Il contorno is side dish. Next, we have some verbs to round out our vocabulary. Remember, these are infinitives that we learned with piacersi, mi piace. Well, here's some more verb infinitives. Essere. Essere, to be. Like essence. Avere. Avere, to have. Sounds like have ere, to have. Andare. andare, to go, fare, fare is either to do or to make, like savoir faire in French. Parlare, parlare is to speak or to talk. Mangiare, mangiare, to eat. Comprare, comprare, to buy, like you compensate someone, you comprare, to buy. Vedere, vedere, to see, as in video. Prendere, prendere, to take. And you can prendere, you could take medicine, but you also prendere coffee the way the Brits take tea. You can prendere un caffè. And also it just means to take in general, like, oh, take a piece of candy. You prendere, to take. Partire, partire is to leave a place, like to depart. So you partire the party, but you have a different word to leave, to like leave your keys behind. And provare, provare, to try. This is where we get the word proof, as in the proof is in the pudding. Like, we'll try it out, we'll prove it. Provare, to try. Next, we have I verbi modali, our modal verbs. And of course, we go all into this with our dinosaur sentences. For the vocabulary, we've got vorrei, vorrei, I would like, vorrei. And the we form is vorremmo, vorremmo, we would like. Vorrei, vorremmo. Next, we have devo, devo, I need to. Dobbiamo, dobbiamo, we need to. Notice this is if you need to go do something, not if you need a thing. Devo, dobbiamo. And finally, posso, posso, I can. Possiamo, possiamo, we can. And to make this a question, you use a rising tone. For our bonus vocabulary, what I suggest is actually going back and paying closer attention to those definite articles for our nouns. So there actually isn't special bonus vocabulary for Napoli. You've got quite a bit with those modals. So if you want to do the insanity workout, start paying closer attention to the articles, the il, la, gli, all that good stuff. But as it is, I think this is a really good point to stop and do review. So I haven't added a special bonus vocabulary here. And that's what I've got for you today, and I will see you next week.